Hello everyone, hello Doge lovers. First I will read you a news. And then we'll talk about how we can turn this collapse into our advantage. What influenced the decline in Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin prices today? A meltdown of $100 billion was observed in the total crypto money market during the day. The total market value of $1.480 trillion in the morning decreased to $1.380 trillion at the time of writing. Bitcoin slumped below $33,000 and Ethereum below $2,300. Doge is trading around 21 cents. In the chart below, the leading player in the decline in the crypto money markets is Tether, the third cryptocurrency with a market size of $62 billion. What happened that Tether caused a depreciation of 2 times its own size? Although Tether is the third largest cryptocurrency in terms of market size, it ranks first in terms of trading volume. The most important difference of Tether from other cryptocurrencies is that its value is fixed to the dollar. That is, it is a stable cryptocurrency. The Chinese central bank's mention of the systemic risks that Tether may cause caused a meltdown in the markets. We recommend that you take a look at the news link below for the systematic risks that Tether may cause. CNBC brought it up yesterday. Today, the Chinese central bank made statements at the same meeting. Allegedly, Tether does not have enough liquid assets in its safe to meet the demand for dollars. Tether, a stable coin, is expected to provide as much provision as the coin in the market. So $62.2 billion. Although Tether is not 100% against the coins in the market, it is essential that it reserves a high rate. However, the allegations are that Tether has 2.9% cash in its safe. Yes guys, entire crypto community writes to the fact that now we're talking about another crypto asset that really has no business being a crypto asset. It's backed by Joe Exotic, which a lot of people have different viewpoints on himself. And now we're throwing this in a coin that's absolutely mooning right now. That's distracting so many people at the Dogecoin community that want to chase this because someone has built such a big platform that is promoting it, guys, and that's where I kind of differ from him. I don't believe this is the time to be talking about other coins, and I don't believe that we should be talking about coins that really just got started and have no utility and really no business being on the market. That's my stance on this, guys. I'm not invested in Tiger King, and I don't support the movement. I don't support anything about it, and I honestly don't support that. The timing of this is when the Dogecoin community needs to come out and be the strongest. This is when we need to come together. This is not the time to start showing other coins or to back out of our stance about Dogecoin. Because then do you really believe in it? Right? Yes, I know Matt Wallace and I know his stance on Dogecoin and what he has done for the community. I will never say anything negative about him. Right, he has done so much for this community and he continues to pound the table. He's not sold any Dogecoin. He's holding Dogecoin. He's going to be at the forefront of the Dogecoin community for time being. Right, I believe in him. I trust him, and as a Dogecoin community I love Matt Wallace, right? I just don't agree with this situation. Guys, I don't believe this is the time where we should be talking about other altcoins that really have no business being on the market anyways. And yes, it is mooning, guys. It is. Up 1,000%. I think in the last week a lot of people are making money on it, but this is something you have to be very careful with. In my opinion, this is a pure pump and dump. I don't believe that there's going to be a utility coming from this. I don't believe in anything about the project, and that's my stance on this, guys. As a Dogecoin member, as somebody that has a platform, I just wanted to give you guys my honest opinion. I am with Dogecoin 1000%. I believe we're still in a bull market. I believe this is a great time to accumulate. And yes, guys, if you're embarrassed or you're scared right now, I get that. You guys, you can leave any comments, you can dislike these videos as much as you want, you can show me on social media. It does not matter, guys. You are entitled to your own opinion, and please make your own decision with your financial situation. If you want to sell Dogecoin or any other crypto assets you believe we're in a bear market, that's your belief, that's your honest opinion, and you can do whatever you need to do. But if you believe like I do that Bitcoin and the entire crypto market is still in a bull market and that we are seeing a small buried market, maybe that's what you can call this, but in my opinion it's just a massive accumulation before the next leg, this bull run, then this is where you want to double down. This is where you want the dollar cost average in. And guys, understand, chasing instant gratification is not something that you want to do. Investing in something you believe in, that you've done your research on, that you have conviction in, that's what you want to do. That's where you really change and make a better financial situation for yourself, because you've done the right research, you have that conviction, and you're not worried about the choppiness in the market. You understand that you're in something that's going to be a part of the future and something that's going to benefit your financial situation if you have the patience and if you have the time in the market, guys. I believe, if you hold Dogecoin for the next 5 years, you will make absolutely astronomical gains, and possibly some people will be able to change their financial life depending on Dogecoin, guys. So all that being said, I will be the first one to come out and say if anything changes that makes me bearish on those going or the crypto market, and I will be the first one to come out. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Should you invest in Dogecoin? Putting the cryptocurrency in context by looking at its history, comparing it to its competitors, and examining its potential rise will help answer this question. Point 2021. Year of joke coins. Dogecoin has been an interesting development for traders, said Julian Hosp, CEO and co-founder of CakeDeFi, a decentralized financial service that allows users to lend cryptocurrency for returns. The famous CEO used the words, "It's funny when you consider the fact that Dogecoin was originally created as a joke." That's right. Dogecoin's mascot is a Shiba Inu dog that became an internet joke in 2013. Unlike Bitcoin, it's also not talked about as a good store of value. There are currently over 129 billion Doges. There are less than 19 million Bitcoins around and only 21 million can be mined in total. There is no upper limit to the maximum number of Dogecoin units, and billions of new units are created each year. This is a serious reduction. This massive supply may help explain how a cryptocurrency trade that is nearly 30 times its price a year ago and more than 10 times its price at the beginning of the year can still be worth only around 7 cents. Of course, the prank coins rise in 2021, when so-called joke stocks, like GameStop, AMC Entertainment and Bed Bath & Beyond are skyrocketing, is due to Reddit. This is really showing the power and influence of social media in the prank community as the legitimate driver behind the currency's adoption and enduring popularity, Hosp says. All three of the joke stocks above are well below the highs of the speculative frenzy that gripped the markets in late January and early February.